Steps to set up MS Outlook email configuration. Open Microsoft Outlook. Open the Outlook application on your computer. Add email account. Click on the File menu, then select Add Account. Enter your email address. Enter your email address and click on Connect. Enter your email account password. Enter your email account password and click Connect. Choose account type. Choose the account type that you want to set up. POP, IMAP, Exchange, or Office 365, and enter the required server settings for incoming and outgoing mail. Complete configuration. Follow the prompts to complete the email account configuration process. Test email settings. Test your email account settings by sending a test email to yourself or someone else. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to use Outlook to send and receive emails using your email account. If you have multiple email accounts, you can repeat these steps to add additional accounts to Outlook. It's important to note that the specific steps for setting up MS Outlook email configuration can vary depending on your email provider and account type, so you may need to refer to your email provider's documentation or support resources for additional guidance. Please subscribe the channel.